Hi everybody, I've had some customers email me lately on what's included in our acrylic trial kit. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you now. So I'll run through what's in the box. So in your trial kit, when you open your box up, the first thing that you will notice is inside you have got your instruction manual, which is really nice and handy. You can remove and you can pull out your monomer. You have it's 15 mils of monomer, of nail liquid, that you receive in your trial kit. You also get a full-size protein bond. With the powders that you get, it is a combination of both acrylic speed and acrylic core powders. So one that you get is a speed clear powder. You get a cover pink powder. You've got a cover blush powder. In the core range, you've got French pink, which is one of the brightest pinks. And you also receive a speed white. So this is going to be enough that you can do one full set for yourself, just so that you've got a great trial of our products to see how they wear on your nails, and also to see the color pigments of the powders. So everybody, that is what is included in our acrylic trial kits. For all of you that were emailing me, just wanting to know what is included, I hope that that's clarified everything for you, including what powders are in that kit. So don't forget to continue watching, and also to like, share and subscribe.